Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about find the solution of x. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to find the domain in here. That's about sine x cannot equals to number 0. And cosine x cannot equals to number 0 because tan x is about sine x over cosine x. Cotan x, that's about cosine x over sine x. So we cannot divide sine x with and cosine x when they are number 0 in here. That's why we have the domain like this. Next, tan x is about sine x over cosine x. Cotan x is about cosine x over sine x. And cotan x is about 1 over tan x. So this one they will simplify each other. And now I will put about tan x. That's about capital T. So we put T in here and T in here. Next, I will put negative number 1 next together. So I will multiply both sides by capital T. And now we can find the solution of capital T in here. So we got about the square root of number 3 over 3. And the second one, that's about negative number 1. And T, that's about tan x. And now we got the final answer. We have 3 solutions. S equal to R tan of the square root of number 3 over 3 plus KB. K is integers. Sorry, we have only 2, so I don't need to write this one in here. And the second one, that's about R tan of negative number 1. So this one, we got about B over 6. And this one, we got about negative B over 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.